Okay, so this is what I'm gonna introduce today for you. This one you will need this one, eyeliner, same blue. You will need something like this to catch the lashes, but I will show you because I didn't know. Let's put quickly eyeliner on. You put it like a normal eyeliner. This is a very good formal and it's not gonna come off in pieces after a while, and you don't have to like remake the line after a few hours wearing the lashes. And I did not, oh sorry for the lights by the way, I did not pull a perfect line.
Okay.
The point is, you apply this one, you correct it with like micellar water, like ear pads if you want to, and after that keep pulling the lines so it works like a normal eyeliner. And after that, grab your lashes. Okay, let's try to... Okay, so this is for my... I like to move the strip like this, like because it was so straight, and it will catch a little bit on eye form. And the trick from the inner corner to the outer. In the inner corner I am always using my nails, my finger, because it's always easier. And already I'm not using that much the clip because I'm not used to it that much. So if your placement wasn't good at the first time, simply is not how you want it to place, take it off, put again, easy. And this one I'm not gonna, the other eye I'm not gonna use at all that tweezer at all, or like clip. So basically, if I can see what am I doing on the camera, well, I don't see what I'm doing on the camera. And it's perfectly on, which a natural one. And my lights are not the best.